everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we're going to play with this super cool heat activated color changing vinyl by Cricut. I have these three colors, light blue to dark blue, actually it's dark blue to light blue, dark pink to light pink, and dark purple to, I think it's a green. And we're going to use the blue because I have a mug that I think it would look great with. Maybe it's a little bit of a teal color. Anyways, let's find a perfect butterfly. So previously I went ahead and did the cold activated vinyl and I did a butterfly image. So I thought I would stick to that same theme and do a butterfly. I'm looking for one that I can weed out to the middle and it's one piece. It'll make it pretty quick to update this video for you. So looking for something that will fill that. I think we're going to go with this one. Ah, that's perfect. This is a gorgeous color too. So let's go ahead and make it the size that we want for our mug. And since it's a pre-design cut image, I don't have to do anything else. So let's go ahead and make it. I'm going to use my Cricut Joy on a mat because that's going to be the easiest way for me to show this to you. Super simple. I'm going to use the 12-inch mat and then you can just put the vinyl on top of that mat since it's 12 by 24. So I'm going to do 12 inches and then I'm going to cut it to size on the mat. And what the heck, let's do 2 images, one for each side of this mug. And this is a Cricut mug blank in the color blue. And then we need to pick heat/cold activated color changing vinyl. I have that set as a preset now. If you don't have it there, you can definitely search for it. And then I'm going to load and cut my mat. On my mat, I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to see it. Let's finish this and go to my Cricut Joy and watch that beauty cut. This vinyl is pretty cool because you can see the heat of my hand actually changes the color also. And it's really easy to weed because it's like it's a little bit, it seems to be a little bit thicker. You definitely have to take a look and see for yourself, but I think it's a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and weed both of these. Won't make you watch both of them. Because I did this as one piece, I think the best way to weed it is just to take out the piece that I want to use. For the most part that works. A couple pieces did stay in that I have to pull out afterwards, but it worked actually pretty well. If I was trying to save the insides and do like the reverse, might have been a little bit different. I might have had to have been a little more careful because there were a couple pieces in here that just didn't stay. They stuck in with this. So I'm just going to remove those, trying not to touch the back too much. Remove those out of here. I do use a lint roller to help me gather the weed pieces quite often. It usually works pretty well. The Joy cut this very well, but some of these pieces were tiny, so it just stuck in there a little bit when I picked it up. So again, try not to touch the back too much. I realize I'm probably touching it way too much here, but there you can see my fingerprints in the light blue. This vinyl is just really reactive, so actually pretty cool. It's hard to show on video, like you can't really see the justice of it on the video, so definitely check it out for yourself. I really should try the one that's totally different color, the purple, and I think it's a green or it might be a blue. And then it's super easy. Make sure you clean off the cup. You just use an alcohol wipe and then make sure it fully dries before you put your decal on. You can also use a lint roller to make sure that there's no lint left over from the alcohol wipe. And then because it's just one piece, I'm just going to center it where I want it and stick it down in the middle. And I will just work out the little bubbles. So easy peasy. Just to show you on video, I'm going to use a heat gun real quick to heat it up. But I did absolutely put it with coffee, and it worked amazingly. So here it is with the dark blue. It's kind of a turquoise, dark turquoise. And then I'm heating it up, and that will turn the bottom half light blue. There you go. So, question for you. Have you used this or any of the Cricut spring materials, and what was your favorite? What did you make? Let me know what you think in the comment box below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.